Hello and welcome to this tour of number 9 Bays Crescent here in Spencer's Wood. We are located very much on the edge of Spencer's Wood here, the Fulbrook Avenue development. And when I say on the edge, let me just show you the location of this property, and this will demonstrate just what I mean. This is what the property is overlooking immediately to the front there. You may notice we've got a couple of parking bays here, which is quite useful for visitors. This particular house occupies a corner plot. I'll show you the garage and driveway in just a moment, but then as I spin around this way, let's just have a little look to the right, and this is the view that we have this way. As you can see, a very quiet road. The only people coming in here are pretty much the people that live here. Quite a nice finish to the road itself. You can see it's a block paved road, so it just makes the cul-de-sac look rather nice. Let's just walk around the side here and let me show you the garage and driveway. So the garage is the one to the left, obviously. Driveway, as you can probably see, really good size. Certainly parking for 3 cars on there without any difficulty. Okay, so let me now just take you back in through the front door and let's show you the property. Okay, so through the front door into the entrance hall. It's a really good sized entrance hall, as you can probably tell straight away. You've got the stairs in front of you. The door in front there is the downstairs WC. Let me just step to one side. There's the kitchen dining door. We've got a nice built-in cloaks sort of cupboard, space for shoes, that sort of thing. There's the front door, and behind me is the lounge, which I'll show you in just a second. And let's just show you the downstairs WC first. Okay, so a good size, very nicely finished, as you can see. In fact, the whole house is finished to a really good standard. Very much like a shower house inside. There's the load of WC. It's not a small hand wash basin, it's a proper pedestal, as you can see. There's the radiator just under the towel there. Nice flooring and a good size cloakroom. So let's just now look at the lounge. So with the lounge, it's a dual aspect room. French doors there to the left, you can see, to the garden. If I just spin round here, you'll see we have a window here. Let me just step to one side here, point out, as you can see the view that we've got from this window. Lovely, it's the grass behind the road there with trees, and then from the lounge, French doors. Quick peek into the garden, you can see it's not overlooked. The garage is to the right there. Okay, now let's step across the hallway and into the kitchen dining room. So first level, the dining area. Again, dual aspect windows. You can see we've got a table and 4 chairs there. Plenty of room for a table and 6 chairs. And again, nice view from this window. We're going to emphasise on the location quite a lot in this video, I think. Let's just look at the kitchen. Modern, grey, high gloss fronted units, integrated appliances, starting with, this is the fridge freezer. We've got a slide out larder cupboard, that's the narrow one there. Built-in double oven. Spinning round, we've got a 4-ringed gas hob and a hood above. We've got a dishwasher there, and last but not least, this one is a built-in washing machine. Should just mention the eye level units, particularly this one in the corner, that's where the gas boiler lives. So the windows are UPVC double glazed, I should mention that, and obviously it's gas radiator central heating. Okay, let's now make our way upstairs. Let's show you the 3 bedrooms and an ensuite to the master and the family bathroom. I'm going to show you the landing first, actually. Let me just step to one side, turn round. There's the landing. Good size, nice that it's a turning staircase. So it makes the landing a really good size. Ahead of us is the main bedroom. Let's start there. Dual aspect room again, the window to the right, as you can see. There's a door going into the ensuite. There's the other window. Let me just step into the room and turn around because we've got a triple fitted wardrobe there. The wardrobes are freestanding. We'd need to confirm if these would potentially be included. And then if I just turn round, point the other way, another wardrobe sat in the corner, as you can see. There's the door to the ensuite. So let's show you that. First of all, I'm going to point out that it's a really big shower. If I point at the shower screen, you can see, the shower tray, you can see it's pretty much a double-sized shower with the actual shower unit to the left there. It's a folding glass door. There's the pedestal wash basin, the low-level WC to the right with a heated towel rail. Nice tiling and a nice flooring. So that is the ensuite and the main bedroom. Again, let's go across the landing. 2 bedrooms over here. This will be the second bedroom. These 2 bedrooms are actually slightly more kitted out as sort of home offices. Again, dual aspect windows. Sort of sofa bed sat there. You can see, hopefully you can see that a double bed will fit in this room. I'm just going to focus on the view. Well, firstly, this window here, we have across the road sort of grass, trees, but this one has slightly more of a further view down the road. That really does show you the location. It's got a park just behind the trees there in the distance. Okay, so that's the second bedroom. Third bedroom, often with 3-bedroom houses, the third bedroom is a box room, but this definitely is not a box room. This is actually a decent room. Hopefully the camera image will show you that. Again, geared up as an office, but there's the window there. Space just here, I guess this probably would be space for a wardrobe normally, but to be honest, yeah, space for, as a single bedroom, any furniture that you may need. And then, last but not least, we have the bathroom, the family bathroom, again a white suite. There is a shower over the bath, as you can see there. Not sure if you can see it on screen, but there is a glass shower screen there as well. The low WC, the wash basin there, and behind the door, just going to pull the door, and there's another quite a tall heated towel rail. Nice tiling and nice flooring as well. So as you can see, a pretty immaculate house throughout. Very nicely fitted with the kitchen and bathrooms and decor, floorings, all really smart. Let's just now show you the rear garden, and I'll also show you inside the garage because it is a very good sized garage. Okay, so the rear garden. First of all, the patio here, quite a big patio, full width of the house. We've got brick wall here as well, which is rather nice, and as you can see, we're not overlooked. Just to give you an idea, whilst it's not a sunny day today, to my left here over the wall, that will be south facing. So that's certainly where the sun's going to come in. So the garden really should be a cracking sun trap. There's the garage door. Just going further around here, we've got a side gate that comes from the driveway. And then as I step back, hopefully you can see behind the garage, we've got a garden shed as well. Let's show you the garage. Again, even this door is a UPVC double glazed door. So this is a really big garage. As you can see, we have a car in it at the moment. Hopefully you can see at the end, plenty of room for sort of workshop area. Good lighting in here as well. The walls have been painted white, and also the floor has been painted as well, as you can see. Let me just spin round, and that gives you a really good idea just how smart this garage is. Sounds strange saying it's a smart garage, but hopefully you can see exactly what I mean. Lots of room for a car and more. It's probably like a 1.5 size garage. So that pretty much brings us to the end of the tour of this property. If you'd like to know more details, then call the number on our website. My name is Gary, do ask to speak to me. Alternatively, it's the same number to arrange your viewing appointment. Look forward to meeting you. Thanks for watching.